Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix illegal parameters on Binance. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you receive this kind of a message where it says invalid parameter or illegal parameter on Binance, then here are some troubleshooting methods you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've typed in your security code correct while verifying your email address or your phone number on Binance. If you've typed in the wrong information, you'll receive this kind of a message. The next thing to do is to make sure that you've updated your Binance application to the latest version. Open up your App Store and go to the search box. Type in Binance and search. If you happen to see an update button right beneath or right beside the application, it means there is an available update for your Binance application that is yet to be downloaded. Simply tap on Update button to download the latest version of Binance app, and once it is done, open the app to launch it on. Just updating your application might fix the issue for illegal parameters on Binance. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to clear out your cache data from your Binance app. Go and tap Open Settings from your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Tap on iPhone Storage and search for Binance app from the list and tap it on. Tap on Offload app from the option and confirm your selection by tapping on Offload app one more time. Once you offload the application will be deleted from the system, but its documents and data will be kept. Reinstall the application, and that might be able to help solve your issue. If nothing else works out, simply delete your Binance application entirely from your mobile device. To do that, press hold the application, tap on Remove app from the pop-up, and tap on Delete app. Once you delete your application, reinstall it back again, and this might help you solve your problem. Those are some of the easiest fixes on how you can fix illegal parameters on Binance app using your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.